biamono sana abantu bo monene abake nabanene nebakolesa amabitigamba kuwaninga God is good all the time. Oyache kunginyolinga ngware gotero komo nchama liye pane ndiuka mainga echate ningo yogo tieme chate neroye Jondo Mwaziri as a county government ya Kisii, the Minister for Youth, Sports, Culture and Social Services, and my other life, no Musaninde, Nabokorosa, Ng'ina Monto, Nabokorosa Mongi, Ng'ina Monto na achia bekerema, ondepe yoramu kuyekane, ninchoyo, Nabongo chanabo kekerona abere style yende. Ono litanga nitigante benga pole sana to the family. Ena chichaga esa maskani yo musani one amenya igante benga waziri kware gwanchumbu atespoge ndamo nisireti muga koru musani ono monene obugatere repeatable family yaba murabara basani bana because they are very good friends of mine. Basani bana koru mache mumbu alia na tebanga tinkomo tetigana inchenji cheko bakirori igona aretre pole yane ya bene to the family kamura anchere mereri. It's very painful to lose a family member, also a father or other parent. Inchebuna amenya kuwa na uchero tigarete na mamumu hao ncheba asirete bonsi when I was at the age of 15. Lakini ense ale tigamba tebya bantu muri Nyamira Montegreta bangana nabagaka umwana bw'umuntu tomochaya muri kereri mutike nabekiye niekia nabekiye niekebe nje nare kurkwege chondo abona abakire kerona ingaga sinini nkaseitani ese Nyasaye andusitie kangeti bakangacha ko bandu muwaziri rero nde chate ya kusi. Mimi ni kielelezo ya kuonyesha watu ya kwamba you can become anything imeyense because Nyasaye naro na ande nama itina kero muntu ne chinjira chiae kuna agutara igo kamuranche tusiribero tusirienda mwamu mukwane naro kwa na asigite na igwete nga kero Nyasaye ari gutunga abantu agatunga abaluya akababuringa abaluya ntimuta itembaye abaluya bagateba nga ntuto ya appetite oto ne chingo ko chinyinge Nyasaye akaboria abagikoyo inungi mogeza abagikoyo mbaye abagikoyo bagateba nga ntuto bongaini bogo kore biashara na korochi pesa akabatebi akaboria abagusinki bota itembaye abagusi bagateba nga ntuto bole mobuya ensengi ebwata kiango akabange bagusimba chibaisane kanande bakairana bakatebenga Nyasaye notigale tikendo Nyasaye akabatenga yaige ntutigale tia nendigitani nenda muamu neribero noboro akamago aboringa ngobande ninde ale tikendo agatebanga toaye iko akabatego no ikomwacho rae bono ngendigitani nenda muamu iga ese yarorete igatogigikani erepi ege ko erekero menyete ina community wagina naba kamura onye gotaito nayo muchi ubobyoke tiga kuibubo bekero rucha kamura ko muama togo kabiyokire ndigona ine ibubuya na Nyasaye akuigurire bisubiya go nayo sisenigwe ondeta yorogete montoga ni tutorogete by the way sisi wenyewe ndio tumejiroka. Hautaki kusikia vizuri ukiona mtu wa mwenzako, mtoto wa mwenzako anaendelea ainukunya kuyebi nera ngao ebia chale rone bisuti bawo tobekera na lero squeeze ngebi permanent kiamo. Mungu atazidisha kubariki familia kwa sababu yako. So clean your heart, clean yourself na ayo igoreru na ayo bioke akagari gago etaga ko mwana ngetengu ya nae mambia gachiche huo gogosema na wami. Thank you very much. Moira abana skuru musomia abana bakime so that we take usinya itu to the next level. Lastly, yangu wane because I'm a leader and I'm a politician and I'm a young man uligerete kusio. Dede kuba saba kamuranji. Abangina naba yakabara tariye chate hakuane bomo usio tebetenga esinyama kuona bobe nkita bwa esinyama kuona bobe nikita bwa ono kamura ancha baga kamura. I know they are great thinkers iga baraba gusi abangina baraba ngai ni baraba gusiga. I want to tell you, we have to be organized in a community kuruku yomo gusi na hitu na litora feature at the national platform. Bono iga ndobuato musacho kurukunga matiang iga ndobuato musacho kurukunga nyaribo iga aligusi ndobuato musacho kurukunga ngwai kamura anje ndore to chogie nyingi totiga basacha abaiga na buba chiribo siake batoroke direction toko genda tokanye direction ye the president his excellency Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta na Baba Raila Amolo Odinga ndiye mono ya saba nsoni mwezi. Okay.
Hello, mommy. Hey, how you doing? It's been a long time. I miss you so much. Ingewezekana nikupigie simu tuongee. Miaka 12 sasa imekwisha. Najua mami, nimejaribu sana kutafuta mwingine kama wewe sijapata. Ng'ina Monto nachia benekere maba ondeta iyo ora mowekani. Ng'ina Monto nachia benekere maba ondeta iyo ora mowekani. My brothers and sisters, this is my special condolence to you all that lost their mothers. I mean, the pain of losing a mother grows every day as you grow older. And to you all whose mothers are still alive, whether she's disabled, as ignorant and as less exposed she is, as poor as she is, please give her the best. That's a gem in your life. My becoming wish has always been that my mother just comes around for a single day, even a minute or a second, to see what a tiny boy has grown to be. That has always been my prayer, and one day I believe I'll get to meet you again, Mama. Rest in peace. Ng'ina Monto nachia benekere maba ondeta iyo ora mowekani. Ng'ina Monto nachia benekere